are in Taipei, Taiwan. Tumilyon.
I'm with us.
Hey guys, we are trying 50C. Mas masarap daw to kaysa sa Shimputang. We are in Taipei, Taiwan. Bakit ng background natin?
Kaya nga, para lang kaming nasa bambang.
May mga ano...
Masarap. Kulang ng tamis. Eh, kasi
Wala nata eh.
nag-zero ako eh. Na sugar.
Walang nata. Nata nga siya, hindi niya nakuha yung order ko.
Sa ibang...
Hey guys, we are now here in MWD. So it's an all-day breakfast restaurant. Hindi mo siya restaurant, parang fast food. I got chicken, egg, muffin. Oh no! Thank you. And binibigyan niya kami ng food. Wala naman kami ng order, puro kami sandwich. And wifey got pancake sandwich with egg and beef.
And sauce.
And sausage. And also, ano yung tea?
Oat pancake.
This is our breakfast. And then later we are going to Ximending. We'll eat muna.
Look at that layers.
Good morning guys. We are tumatawid. We are here in Ximending because we are in Taipei, Taiwan. Valentine's 2026. Ano?
Sarado lang.
Sarado lahat. Kaya nga eh. Sa bingit na yan ng kamatayan. Makakarating ka ng Pinas. Ay! Nang tatapon. Ah.
Kaya ayoko naman. Ito!
Yes, we are now here in Ximending Walking District.
Legit.
And
And it's open na.
this is Pop Mart. And Shimputang. Bili kami na milk tea.
Milk tea, boba count. Ilan na ako? Boba count.
3 na ngayon.
3 and it's still 11 a.m.
Yes. We have payong.
Nakakiyo kami sa per milk tea. May nagpa yung ganito pala
Bili ng
dito.
payong.
Tapos for red pala yun.
Ah. Ano yun? Scam? Look oh.
Boba. Ano? Shaolong boba.
Ay. Let me see. Ah. Madali ang buhay.
Enjoy na enjoy siya. Look oh. Tere.
Hey guys, nakuha na namin yung order namin. We ordered just one kasi baka makailang milk kami. So, this is our order. Pinaka-basic. So, taste test. Is it really the best boba milk tea ever? It's not! Walang lasa. Walang lasa. Hindi siya matamis.
Kala ko pa naman makakaten ako dito. Ng boba.
Pero ang sarap ng boba. Mamiyag do.
Masarap na sa inyo to.
Yun lang. So, 2 more food trip taste test later.
Sorry.
Of course, hindi mako-complete ang paggagala pag walang GU and Uniqlo run. Parang roadside lang sa Nubali, malapit sa bahay. Ay, oo. You want flowers? Oo nga pala. Hey guys, another food to try. We just bought the Curly Mama crispy milky donuts. We bought 8 and we're going to try. Para siyang Lola Nenas.
Let's try. Ito mo man. Freshly cooked. Cooked.
Fried siya. Fried pala siya.
Mana?
Crispy nga eh. Ay.
Init. Sarap.
Oh my God.
Sarap. Kaya mo gusto yan. Gusto mo nga ng mga ganyan. Mas okay ito pilahan kasi milk tea. Grabe. So disappointed.
Sarap. Sarap yung curry.
Sarap yung curry. Sarap no? Ang meat. Try mo.
Good morning, Taipei. We are going to Taipei 101. Hey guys, good morning. We are now at the train station and we are going to Taipei 101. Ito yung tickets namin for the train. Yeah. That's Taipei 101 to you guys.
First view ng Taipei 1.
Hello!
Kayo.
Mas pinost na yan kasi yun yung unang pinost niya.
Ano sabi mo?
Parang ang ganda dyan.
We are checking out language, English.
Pa-Chinese New Year niya kay Sal.
Happy New Year! Hey guys, nandito na kami sa Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall and it's so beautiful!
Sobrang laki niya.
Yeah. Gate pa lang.
Talikod ka. Ah, we're here.
Laki.
Tingnan mo. Para ko na sa... Ang lalaki. Para ko sa Toy Story. Sobrang liit ko. Sobrang liit.
Ayun yung sikat. Parang dito na lang intrams. Mag-picture lang kami and then maghanap kami ng
Milk tea!
boba milk tea.
Ganda ng cellphone ko.
Hey guys, we are back in Ximending. Naghanap kami ng boba
Wala pa akong boba count
today and paggagabi na.
M's Choices. Tingnan natin.
Mamilk pa din.
Yan, yan, oh.
Bye.
Nagkaskas yung ate ko tapos nanalo siyang 500. Kita mo?
Ay, magpapalala.
Magkano kaya mo?
200. Ano tayo 300? Okay, pagkain na tayo.
Shishe! Siya 500!
Sumakses. Nalo ko na 300. Yay!
Hi, good morning. Happy Chinese New Year.
Happy New Year lang. Chinese sila eh.
Okay na yun. Di Happy New Year.
We are now inside the Taipei main station and meron ditong mga mascots. Ang cute. May bata pa.
Ay, ito. Tawa na naman ako.
It looks like they're going to perform. Superior taste na yun.
Tingnan niya natin kung superior.
Wow! Ang ganda dito. Oh. Hey guys, we just arrived here in Taipei Zoo. Nakadalawang train kami. And now we are going to buy tickets.
Lamig!
Yeah, ang lamig today. We just want to see the pandas and then we can go home.
We got the cutest ticket.
Yeah.
Pwede mo merong lugar na sobrang dami-dami.
Saan?
Hindi.
Nag-liftin siguro sila.
Hanggang legs? Okay, so now, nakakain na kami. And now we're having coffee from 7-Eleven.
Sobrang lamig. Ako
Ang
na lang yung
lamig.
ice.
So, what if yung tingin ng mga animals sa zoo is tayo yung nakakulong, tapos sila yung nagsa-sightseeing, di ba? Di ba? Ano magagawin? Oh, so we just saw some koalas. First time ko ata nakakita ng koala. Ang cute pala.
Sobrang cute, sobrang taba. And di ko na-imagine na ganun siya kalaki.
Oh, malaki pala. And now we are lining up for the pandas. Ayan na lang.
Tulong. Sige po.
Sweeping. Sweeping ang panda. Ito yung habitat nila. Dalawa lang yung panda dito. Sa Hong Kong, ang dami. You're happy?
Iswim siya! Oh! Cute!
Cutie ng panda. Grabe, for $100, makakita ka ng panda.
Excited yung asawa ko sa giraffe. Tingnan mo. One, two, three.
Parang baby siya, no? We've been here inside the zoo for almost 4 hours. And mukhang uwi na kami. Done with the zoo.
Sumakay na kami ng train, bus, shuttle. Hindi ko alam. Tapos nagbayad lang kami 5 pesos. 5 pesos? 5 NT pala. Tapos going down na. Kasi if maglalakad kami, sobrang layo niya pa. Oh God! Sobrang lamig! Parang hotdog na sa freezer yung feels. Ang ganda dito. May usok check. Oo nga. Wala. Meron.
Hey guys, we are here at Hooters Taipei. We're going to have dinner. Sana meron pang seat outside. Outside seat! I hope it doesn't rain though. We have the perfect seat. Look. This one, please.
Okay, a little spicy. Okay? Spicy, okay?
Really?
Oh, no
Is it-
spicy or spicy?
Little.
A little, okay?
Yeah.
Blue cheese, okay?
Blue cheese, yeah.
Yeah.
Or maybe you have gin and tonic?
Gin and tonic, okay.
You
we
have?
Yeah. Gin and tonic.
Okay, I like that. Gin and tonic. One only.
Spicy.
Okay. Gin and tonic. Cheers to life. Cheers to life. Ang sarap na gin and tonic nila dito. Matamis.
Wow. Ang birthday.
Yeah.
And then put a little.
We don't usually order white sauce.
Pero parang
it's nice.
puro red na kasi
Yeah.
buffalo din. Pizza. Masarap.
Our pizza is here.
Yummers. Looks good.
This is a 4-in-1 pizza.
Can I get na?
Yeah, sure.
Galing ko pumili. Oo.
Siyempre, binili mo nga ako. Wow. Grabe yung tawa ng ate ko. Hey guys, the platter is here. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. The platter contains buffalo wings, shrimp, what
And
else?
I think that's boneless chicken.
Boneless chicken, and celery. Para kaming backyardigans.
Shrimp.
Shrimp yan. Oh, the sauce is blue cheese. Wings.
Init pa.
Hey guys, we are done eating. We had dinner at Hooters. As you all know,
So good.
sarap ng food.
And
We
then
ordered a lot. Hindi namin naubos, so we have takeout. Just get back from the hotel. Hey guys, we are out again. Good morning. Pumunta kami ng Ximending.
来自实验室的青春幻影技术，Miss Exosome 超立体幻影。
Famous tawiran. Hello. You have ice cream milk tea?
Ice cream milk tea, right?
Yes. Large. Thank you so much. Wala guys, when you have receipts like this, may ganyan, pwede nyo siyang i-scan. Scan it. And then may lalabas, not drawn yet. Kasi, lotto din siya. So, every 3 months may loto.
Babalikan na lang natin.
Bahala ka kung may nanalo ka. You have to save the receipt.
My boba!
So, I'm inside a kaskas. Para siyang scratch it sa Pinas. Bili ako isang 200. This one? Yes. Thank you. We'll try our luck.
Sarap ng milk tea ko, grabe. Tignan natin kung may pangkain tayo. 31. Ay!
2 million? 23, 1, 2, 34, 1, 2, 3, and 31. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 1,000!
Go, go, go! Play with Bobby.
Oh my god! Yay! 1,000! Thank you so much! Oh my gosh! So happy.
Yeah. Parang nanalo sa ano?
假设你刚刚跟我说这个，其实只要你没有做出话，所以他也没有办法说自己
没上来。
对，所以你不要不上。你如果不
Thank you. Thank you.
不要砍拖到我。
You got the goods. I got cheese gyudon and Pops got, what's that? Kimchi gyudon.
Kimchi jjigae.
Kimchi jjigae. Kimchi gyudon. Yum. Sarap.
Ang dami acting. Sobrang laki. Hey. Ay, ang init!
Ano ba ang chicken parang siya? Pero dramatic. Ang laki, mas malaki pa ata sa one-piece chicken. Kaya ako masasabi. Family chicken.
Natalo ang family chicken ng Japan.
Better yan.
Ito na lang orderin nyo, wag na yung simputang. This is from 50C, marami siyang branch dito sa Ximending.